crazy? Is you fucking crazy? Is you fucking crazy? Is you fucking crazy?
Ecom isn't dead.
Is you fucking crazy?
Sarah fucking Toga, what is good, guys? We got the gym fit on. I call this Mr. Marshmallow. This is the Mr. Marshmallow fit. This is a marshmallow fit. We're about to hit the gym. It's Monday night here out at Brickell. Brickell's a vibe. Shout out Fresh, bro.
Let's go, man.
Thank you for having me on.
Listen, bro, the legend's here. Let's get it.
The legend's here.
Let's go.
Yeah, this is where I do like my my Fed React shit. Basically, well, it used to be called Fed Reacts, but I do like political commentary, cultural stuff. I used to work for the G back in the day.
So this is just like the political room, basically.
Yeah. So I do the political cultural commentary. I talk a lot about like foreign policy shit like that.
Yeah.
2, 1.
And we are live. What's up, guys? Welcome to Fresh Fit Podcast, man. It's Monday. We're here with Saamir. We're gonna talk ecom. Let's go.
Let's go.
Dude, I remember this story. There was this girl I had a crush on, right? I'm like, okay. She's like, she was the baddie, bro. I was like, I really like this girl. And she found out about the videos, and she was like, what are you doing? Like, you're not going to be able to buy a house selling lighters, right? And we sold that brand for $300K profit, right? Like $300K wired. I made over $250,000 like profit on that business. And I was like, well, I can buy a house now with that. So
You made how much last year?
made $20 million last year at 20 years old. Yeah. And I can pull it up and show you guys too.
If you want to. If you want to, you can show them the live thing.
Hold on, at 21 years old, what were you doing at 21?
21, I was in college.
Dude, I was coming to America with no job, trying to find a way. Holy crap.
And that's a live, guys. That's not a screenshot. That's
Yeah.
like that's actually like this is live. And then
Damn.
look, it's live, guys.
Yeah.
We got him,
Hey, bro, I got a big bread somehow.
bro.
He's smart.
Leave it to a fucking G to do this shit,
Man,
man.
he's smart.
God damn, we got one of them.
Yeah.
That is the most G thing I've ever heard, man. Hey, yeah, I do the shape shifting thing. Hey, you know what I'm saying? No, very good stuff, dude.
Yeah,
Very good stuff.
Enjoyed it.
Because I could tell, like, you're an expert, so, like, you just know this stuff, like, the back of your mind. So, like, okay, we got to
Yeah, you
dumb
help
it down.
break it
All right,
down, yeah.
1, 2, 3. Because what I've noticed, like, when people are very good at something, they, just because they're so, they don't even think twice about it. They're just like,
Yeah.
yeah, we got to do this. So I was like, oh, shit, let's break it down.
Yeah.
So they can really, so, yeah, bro, that was really good, man.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
Like, it went step by step.
We might need a store, nigga.
No, I was going to say, we should talk with you offline about that.
Saamir, how was it?
That was fun, bro.
Yeah?
That was fun. I do more. Thank you, bro. Again. That was so funny. I looked over you and did the all over part shit. I started dying, bro. What is up, people? So right now we're about to go pick up a watch. It's a Wednesday here in Miami. It's a good day. I've been struggling with chronic horniness. It's been really annoying. But besides that, everything's been going good. Business has been going smooth. I'm trying to fix my sleep schedule. The last time you guys saw me, I got my blood taken, so we got our reports back. Your boy is sitting at around 500 test. That's good.
Oh.
Is that bad? I don't know. But they're gonna put me on TRT. They're gonna put me on HC1. They're gonna put me on growth peptides. They're gonna put me on NAD,
Winning product.
everything, winning product, right? So I'm happy for that. But boys, this watch that I've been trying to get, I've been trying to get it for about a month and a half now. And I've been super low key about it because no one has this watch, and it's kind of a loud piece. It's a very loud piece. A lot of you guys are gonna look at me differently, but that's good because I want you guys to think that I'm a degenerate because I am. I don't want to play a picture that I'm not. So this watch is gonna be really good to show my true colors and my true face. But I'm excited. We're about to go pick it up, and yeah.
Fuck a pigeonhole, I'm a night out, it's a different mode. I'ma have to
Are you
make
excited for this watch? You don't like materialistic things, do you?
Yeah, but like I'm not gonna be like, oh, I don't care. No, I'm definitely happy. It's gonna be the most expensive watch I've ever worn. It costs more than a Richard Mille.
How much was it?
This watch cost me $135,000.
Holy shit.
Yeah, then I bought another watch with this as well, so it was around 200K in total.
Crazy pickups today.
Yeah, excited, bro.
It's been a minute, right?
Yeah. This is
Yeah,
like my
'cause-
first big boy watch.
Yeah. I mean, bro, these are two big boy watches. You know,
Yeah,
just
well, one of
two
them is for my
small-
dad, not even for me.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
That's fire. So you want to take a look at your pops' gift first?
Let's see what we got dad first. Yeah.
Okay,
He likes
cool.
the simple shit, so
But this is not even simple, bro. This is one of the best GMTs in the game. So
yeah.
everything's here,
Awesome.
full set.
Beautiful.
Cards behind here as well.
Show the camera.
Look at that.
That pops is gonna be stoked.
Yeah, it's a dad watch. I don't know. I think I'm too young to rock something like that.
Yeah, so we gotta show the camera what's in store.
Yeah, this is like the DJ watch, you know what I mean?
All right, so now
Yeah, this is the big boy one. Oh my god, I'm excited, bro.
Yeah, this is a crazy piece, bro. And you don't see that many people rocking this.
I've
It's
never seen anyone rock it.
incredibly rare.
Yeah.
Like, incredibly rare.
There we go.
The 37mm frosted skeleton.
That's beautiful.
Beautiful piece. I don't know if Sanj gave you a little bit of background, but like AP patented this material, and
Yeah.
it's not like diamonds, it's
White
gold,
gold, right?
but they hammer it so that it looks like it has that finishing.
Yeah.
So even if you like graze it or touch it, like you literally feel
Yeah. It shines. I don't know if the camera will pick that up.
yeah. It hits like real stones, but
Yeah.
actually better, and it looks good on your wrist too, like perfect
Yeah,
size.
yeah, that's why I got the smaller one. We got our first big boy watch. It was either this or RM, and I was like, everyone has an RM in my.
Yeah, bro, this you never see,
Yeah.
like ever.
Yeah, I think it's the only one I've ever seen. Do you guys think it's worth 135K? Comment below.
Hey, let's see in the lighting.
See that?
That's crazy.
Shout out Dropshipping.
Ecom.
Ecom works, bro.
What's the next watch?
Probably gonna be. I'll probably say a G-Shock. Switch it up. Thank you, bro.
Thank you, I appreciate
It
you.
was great.
It's very smooth, always.
Yeah, I like always, bro. I'll come back for that Protect.
No, for sure.
Beautiful day here in Miami. Got the Prada on today. Today we'll be working, filming. A lot of you guys might be watching this kind of content thinking like, yo, what is this guy doing? What do we got going on here, right? And the thing is, I decided that I need to record more of my life so you guys can see what goes on behind someone who's making millions and millions a month. It's really important, right? Because you can see the fun shit, you can see the boring shit, and you just get to see all of the shit. And that's what a lot of people don't show, right? Like when we do these videos, these really fun videos, like we just posted one of my favorite videos to date, and that is like helping McDonald's worker make his first sale with dropshipping. That type of content is great. And a lot of you guys will enjoy that. And a lot of you guys will learn a lot from that content, and a lot of you guys will be entertained, and that will be great. But it's not reality, right? Like obviously the video is real, everything is real, but it's not a real thing because that's not my everyday. You know, I'm not doing that every day. Every day I'm usually working, planning out other videos, and just running my businesses. But one thing I like about Miami, nothing's fucking real out here. You go downstairs right now, it's a Wednesday, it's Wednesday, Miami, here in Brickell, you go downstairs, I am seeing more supercars than I am regular cars. When you guys make your first 10K a month, there's a couple things you can do with the money. You can spend the money on dumb shit, like a Rolex, or you can spend it on wholesome shit, like taking care of your mom's rent or something. You could spend it on smart shit, like keeping it in the bank account or putting it into investments. And you have that option. You have that option to make what you want to spend that first 10K on. Now, I promise you guys, you will get more out of spending it than keeping it, right? So don't invest it. 10K a month investing is stupid. For most of you guys, investing period is stupid. You shouldn't be investing. If you don't have 10 million in your bank account, investing is not going to do you jack shit. It's just going to take time and energy away from the real mission, that is making your business an active income as high as fucking possible. The only thing you should be investing in is yourself and your businesses. That first 10K a month you make, what do you want to do with it? You want to spend it. So either spend it on something wholesome if you have that in your life. So, you know, taking care of your mom's rent, buying your mom something, buying your sister's family something wholesome. If you don't have something wholesome driving you, that's fine. Just spend it on a watch. Or spend it on inventory for your dropshipping store so it's not dropshipping anymore. Whatever it may be, spend it on something. You guys want to spend money on something. When you start to make money, spend it. For me, it was traveling. When I started to make money, I was not living at home and I didn't have a place to live, basically. I didn't want to live with my parents. I wasn't old enough to get an apartment. So I was traveling, spending it on hotels and Airbnbs. I make 10K a month, I'll spend 9. Keep 1K over. Every month I keep making more money. Eventually I became a millionaire. We gotta go downstairs now. What do you want the viewers to know?
This is live.
1 billion people watch
It's
it.
not live, right?
It's not live. Okay.
Hi guys.
Tell them dropshipping is not dead. Dropshipping
guys.
is not dead.
One of my favorite guests, like family member, future billionaire,
Current billionaire.
current billionaire
In rupees.
in rupees.
Dirty cash, I want you. Dirty cash, I need you.
All right, it's a beautiful day here in Miami. It's Saturday, Sunday, one of the days I forgot. We are working, we're eating food right now. We're about to get some work done in the office back there. Then we're gonna hit the gym and then go out a little bit. Have a good time, you know, it's a Sunday. We had a great week, we gotta celebrate. I think I spent like 30K this week going out. A lot of it I couldn't film for personal reasons. But yeah, we had a great time this weekend. It's been good. I booked a flight for New York on Saturday. I didn't end up going. because I didn't feel like going. And that's a good thing. I didn't book my hotel, so I didn't miss out on the hotel. I just missed out on the flight, which was like $1,000 or something. The good thing about like having complete freedom is if you don't want to go somewhere, you don't have to, right? Not having to do anything, to me, honestly, it's the biggest flex I have. It's not my car, it's not my watch, it's not my apartment, it's nothing. It's the fact that I can do whatever I want, whenever I want, right? So yeah, like I said, we're about to eat some food, get to work. It's pretty chill, not much to really show you guys, so I'm not picking up the camera that much. But right now we are in the month of April. Everything is, you know, smooth working. We're new projects, a lot of stuff we're working on for you guys. But next month when we go in May, the whole month I'm gonna be gone. Meaning I'm gonna be in Europe, I'm gonna be in Monaco, I'm gonna be in Tulum, I'm gonna be traveling the whole entire month. So this month is basically priming myself for next month. And I wanna show you guys how crazy it is, because as an entrepreneur, your life moves in seasons. What I mean by that is some months you just work. You stay home, you work, you enjoy the city you live in, you're around the people, you're on calls all day, you're making stuff happen. And some seasons, some months, you're popping off. You're going off, you're going to this country, you're going to that country, you're bouncing here, you're doing that, you're buying this. When it rains, it pours, and I truly believe that you have to realize that your life moves in seasons and episodes. Sometimes it's slow, sometimes it's fast, but don't force it if it's not meant to be.
Hi guys, we're working. Again, I don't have the camera today.
I'm the cameraman today.
Samir's the cameraman for today.
I'm the best cameraman there ever was. Yeah, Sai, what are we up to?
Sorry guys, I don't have the camera on me today. So
I'm filming him.
Playing a little bit of tennis here. Tennis balls. That's what I like. You know we winning right now? You know we got that strong lock. Look at this. Look at that city though. You guys see that? This is some young rich shit right here. Playing tennis on a high rise. Got my boy in the back.
Patience is a virtue, but it's virtually useless to text me how you feel, the feeling's mutual.
Finished up. We lost. It's okay. Let's come back stronger than ever.